And this video will show you how to use Affirm at Walmart. First of all, you need to Google this simple keyword, how to use Affirm at Walmart, and then you need to open Affirm official website right here. On this website, when you scroll a little bit down, right here you will see the Q&A, and here will be on the top this question, how do I use my Affirm card at Walmart? So you need to open this question, and here will be the answer. Pay or time, so you can shop online, visit the Affirm app to shop directly at Walmart, or go to affirm.com to request a payment plan to use on walmart.com. Tell us how much you want to spend, and if you are a pro, we will activate a plan to your Affirm card. When you are ready to check out, choose Pay with Card as your payment method and enter your Affirm card details to complete your purchase. Also, you can pay in store. Walmart doesn't accept virtual cards in store, so you will need your physical Affirm card to check out, request a plan in the Affirm app, and pay with your physical card at the register. Also, you can pay in full. If your bank account is linked to your Affirm card, you can pay in full for your purchase, online or in store. Funds will be withdrawn from your linked account in 1 to 3 days after the checkout. And here is the visual instruction how to use Affirm at Walmart. So here is the visualization, how to activate the plan for the Walmart. So as you can see right here, that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.